Okay, so we have a biology question that says study the different portions of alimentary canal. When they say alimentary canal, it is also known as the gut or the digestive trunk. It is a tubular structure which runs from the mouth to the anus. So these are some of the parts you are seeing here. Now the question is saying from which part is figure 1.1, figure 2 here. So figure 1 and figure 2. So figure 1, it is the stomach. Figure 2, it is small intestine. I know you may be thinking to say, why is this one a stomach? It's because it contains muscle tissue. Muscle tissue, these here are the muscle tissues. Muscle tissues, specifically, we call them what? The circular and longitudinal muscles. They help in terms of the downward movement of the bolus. Bolus means ndongo nsimeja, bolus. So in terms of the movement of the bolus along the tube there. Now, how does this bolus move? It is by contraction and relaxation of these muscles there. They work in an opposite form known as antagonistic. What is the other reason why this one is a stomach? Because it contains these here. These here, we call them the glad tissue. Glad tissue, they are the ones which produces the hydrochloric acid, enzymes, and the mucus in the stomach, which helps for digestion. How about this one? Now, this one, as you can see, contains the what? The muscle tissue, which helps in terms of the movement of the bolus by contraction and relaxation. Why so? Not only that, but again, this one is a small intestine because it is connected to the what? The pancreas. So, meaning that the pancreas produces a juice known as what? A pancreatic juice. Now, this pancreatic juice contains enzymes such as what? The amylase and the lipase. The amylase changes the starch into maltose, while the lipase, it changes the fat or the lipids into fat acid and glycerol. So this tube you see here, part C, it is known as the what? The pancreatic duct, which acts as a passage of this pancreatic juice from here coming there, which helps for digestion.